wolf cub, still learning the ways of the wild, approached his wise old grandfather. "Grandpa," he said, "there is a terrible battle raging inside me. 2 wolves are fighting for my soul." The grandfather, his eyes filled with wisdom, listened intently. "What kind of wolves are these?" he asked. "One is evil," the cub replied, "full of anger, greed, and envy. The other is good, filled with love, compassion, and kindness." The grandfather smiled. "This battle," he said, "rages within every creature. It is a constant struggle between light and dark." The cub's eyes widened. "But which wolf will win, Grandpa?" he asked. The grandfather paused, his gaze fixed on the horizon. "The one you feed," he replied.